Upgrading the windows in your Mesa home is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, appearance, and long-term value. While many homeowners start by considering simple replacements, modern bay windows offer a uniquely beautiful and functional upgrade. These expansive, outward-projecting windows bring in more natural light, enhance energy efficiency, and instantly elevate curb appeal. If you've been living with outdated or worn windows, replacing them with bay windows can transform your living space in ways you might not expect. Brighter interiors with abundant natural light. One of the most noticeable benefits of bay windows is the dramatic increase in natural light. Traditional flat windows can only bring in light from a single angle, but bay windows extend outward, capturing sunlight from multiple directions. This creates brighter rooms, more cheerful living spaces, and a greater sense of openness. In sunny Mesa, where natural light is one of the region's greatest assets, bay windows allow homeowners to make full use of the outdoors while still enjoying the cool comfort of their homes. Better energy efficiency and indoor comfort. Older windows often allow heat to enter during Mesa's warm seasons and escape during cooler months. Modern bay windows use advanced materials such as double or triple glazing, insulated frames, and low emissivity coatings that help regulate indoor temperatures. This improved insulation reduces the workload on your HVAC system, helping you maintain a comfortable home without skyrocketing energy bills. Because bay windows create additional interior space, they also allow better air circulation when opened. This design encourages natural ventilation and helps keep your indoor environment fresh during mild weather. Enhanced curb appeal and design flexibility. If you want to give your Mesa home a more distinctive, high-end look, bay windows are an excellent choice. Their dimensional design adds architectural interest and creates a beautiful focal point on any facade. Whether your home has a modern style or a more traditional Southwest aesthetic, bay windows can be customized to match your exterior perfectly. On the inside, bay windows instantly make any room feel more spacious. Many homeowners use the extended ledge as a cozy reading nook, a place for plants, or extra seating. This added functionality doesn't require expanding your floor plan. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big visual impact. Increased home value and market appeal. Window replacement is one of the highest ROI home improvement projects, and bay windows often deliver an even stronger return due to their premium appearance and energy-saving advantages. Buyers appreciate the charm, brightness, and added space that bay windows create. If you plan to sell your Mesa home in the future, this upgrade can help your property stand out in a competitive market and attract more potential buyers. Even if you're not selling anytime soon, investing in quality windows enhances long-term comfort and reduces ongoing maintenance costs, making bay windows a smart choice for both immediate enjoyment and future value. Improved views of Mesa's scenic surroundings. Mesa homeowners are fortunate to be surrounded by beautiful desert landscapes, blue skies, and mountain views. Modern bay windows enhance these views by creating a wider, panoramic perspective. Instead of looking straight ahead, you can enjoy angled views that make your living spaces feel more connected to the outdoors. This creates a relaxing, picturesque environment that enhances the overall atmosphere of your home. A stylish upgrade that pays off. Replacing old windows with modern bay windows is more than just a cosmetic improvement. It's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and long-term appeal. From brighter interiors and better insulation to increased home value and scenic outdoor views, bay windows offer a range of benefits that Mesa homeowners love. If you're ready to upgrade your living space, consider how bay windows can transform your home with style, charm, and practical functionality.